In this video, we are going to go over the community post from the Alteryx community of fetching data from different columns. In this instance, they are looking for when sales is 0, I need to populate the previous month forecast sales. So for example, in April of 2025, we have sales of 0, and they want to populate the sales as 700, which is the March 2025 forecast. So there's a number of ways to do this, but the most important thing here is that order matters. If these were not already sorted in the correct months, it's not guaranteed that the row above you is March. So in order to do that first, we need to sort these dates. However, these dates are not in date format. These are string format. So the way to do that is we will use the DateTime tool. So if we drag this down, what we're going to do is we're going to take this string and convert it to a DateTime format. We're going to convert this date field. And this gives you a bunch of options to select from. However, none of these match the format of our date here. We actually need to specify the format for the incoming string field. Now this may take some trial and error, but for the month, if we started typing m's, you will see examples. So 2 lowercase m's will give us 04. 3 won't give us anything, but if I do uppercase m's, now we have 01, but if we do 3, now we have Jan. So that's going to take care of the month portion. And now we have a dash, and year is going to be YY. So that's going to replicate the format that we have. If we go ahead and hit run, we can see that now January 25, February 25, March 25, and so on and so forth. Now, just to confirm that these are in order, we will sort this based on the date time out field, ascending. And now that we have this, now this is where we can pull in the value from 700 down to the 0, as this is the expected output for those sale numbers. So in order to do that, we're going to use the multi-field formula tool. So the power of this tool is you can qualify a certain row as needing a new value, and you can tell it to get a value from rows around it. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to, this is a multi-field formula, we're not going to use that one, we're going to use multi-row formula. We're going to create a new field. Actually, well, we can do either one. So let's say sales updated. And the first thing we're going to say is we're going to say if from our current row here, if sales is equal to 0, then from the row before, row -1, we want the forecast sales. Else, if it's not a 0, we will just take the sales in question. End if. And when we run this formula, we can now see that when this was 0, we pulled in the 700, and then we pulled in the 800, 900, and so on and so forth. So the first thing we did was we made sure that our dates were formatted correctly and in the right order by sorting them. And then we used the multi-row formula to be able to grab onto a previous row's information and populate it with the value in question. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a like and a thumbs up. Please comment with any questions, and we'll see you on the next video.